Operation of fire extinguisher. There are three main reasons for the fire, like fuel, oxygen, and source of ignition. By removing any one from the fuel and oxygen, we can stop fire. Fire is categorized in four parts: Class A, Class B, Class C, and Class D. Class A, solid fire, that is, fire due to woods, clothes, rubber, and paper. Class B, fire due to flammable liquid. Class C, fire due to flammable gas like fire due to LPG. Class D, metal fire. Shut down the power when there is fire due to electricity. Then find out the category of fire A, B, C or D and extinguish accordingly. Method to operate fire cylinder. Read the labels and learn how to operate fire extinguisher. Pull the safety pin of the cylinder. Face the head of the hose of the cylinder towards the base of the flame. Press the hand lever. Keep on moving the hose left and the right on the surface of the fire until fire is extinguished. Call emergency immediately if fire is beyond your control. Special precaution to be kept during firefighting. Don't use water for extinguishing fire on electrical equipment. It may give electric shock. While using carbon dioxide cylinders, cylinder and hose become very cold, which may cause cold burn. Therefore, use it without touching metallic parts with hands. Hold hose also at the right places. Don't obstruct access to fire extinguishers. If you don't know firefighting, seek help immediately.